Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Pradeep of Maths Teachers. In this session we will learn how to find the roots for a quadratic equation by applying a quadratic formula, children. So this is the question. Find the roots for the quadratic equation by applying the quadratic formula, children. So we need to find the roots for the given quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. First of all, we need to identify whether given quadratic equation is in a standard form or not, children. So now, what is the standard form of a quadratic equation, children? The standard form of a quadratic equation is, it should be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a is called as the coefficient of x square, children, and x is called as the coefficient of b is called as the coefficient of x, and c is called as the constant, children, and a, b, c are called as a real numbers. Once again I will say, where a is called as the coefficient of x square, and b is called as the coefficient of x, and c is called as constant, children. So first we need to identify whether the given equation is in a standard form or not. Afterwards we can apply the quadratic formula. Now just check whether the given equation is in a standard form or not. Just check. So x square minus 5x plus 6. Here the coefficient of the coefficient of x square is 1, right? And the coefficient of x is minus 5, and the constant is 6, right? So that means the given equation is in a form of a standard. Now we need to find the roots for this given equation by using quadratic formula, children. Now what is a quadratic formula? That we must know, children. So what is a quadratic formula? The formula says like this: x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 into a into c whole divided by 2 into a. So this is the quadratic formula, children, right? I'll write the question once. The question is x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. Now we need to take the values of a and b and c. Already I had told you people that a is called as what, children? The coefficient of x square, and b is called as the coefficient of x, and c is called as constant. Now write down the value, children. So what is the value of a, children? The coefficient of x square, nothing is there, means how much? 1, right? Comma. So what is the value of b? So the b is nothing but the coefficient of x. So what is the value of b? Nothing but minus 5. Now what is the value of c, children? C is nothing but what? Constant. So therefore c value is 6. Now in this formula we need a value, b value, and c value. Now we got a value, b value, and c value. Now if you apply these 3 values in this formula, means I'll get the roots, right? Now I'll apply the values, children. Now so x is equals to, now what is there in the formula? First only we are having a minus, so write down minus first, minus, right? Now what is the value of b, children? The value of b is minus 5, so therefore write down in a bracket minus 5 plus or minus square root of, now what is the value of b, children? The value of b is minus 5 whole square minus 4 into, now what is the value of a, childrens? The value of a is 1 into, what is the value of c, childrens? The value of c is 6 whole divided by 2 into, what is the value of a, childrens? The value of a is 1. Now you have the formula, you have the data, you have the values, and you have applied the values to the formula. The next step is we need to simplify this. If you simplify this means we'll get to know the roots, right? Write the minus correctly. Right. Now x equals, right? X equals, now minus into minus is plus, so it will become plus 5. So plus or minus square root of, now what is minus 5 square? Children, any minus square will become plus. Now how? Just here 5 into 5 is how much? 5 square is 25. It's a plus value, right? 5 into 5 is 25, children, right? Now any minus square, so what is the value of minus 5? What is the meaning of minus 5 square? So minus 5 square is nothing but minus 5 into minus 5. First multiple the numbers. 5 5 is 25, right? Now also multiple the symbols also, where minus into minus is plus. So therefore any minus square will be plus. So therefore minus 5 square is 25 plus 25 minus 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24 whole divided by 2 ones are 2, right, children? Now x equals plus 5 remains same, plus or minus, subtract it, 25 minus 24, 25 minus 24 is 1 whole divided by 2, right? I'll write here only, right? Now plus 5 plus or minus, now what is the square root of 1? The square root of 1 is nothing but 1 divided by 2. Now here what is the meaning of this, children? What is the meaning of plus or minus? You are having a two values, one is plus value and one other one is a minus value. Now split the two values, one is the plus value and one is a minus value, and you will get the roots. So therefore x is equals to, so I'll take first plus value, plus 5 plus 1 divided by 2 as a 1 value, and another one as x is equals to plus 5 minus 1 divided by 2, right? So now x is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6 by 2, 2 ones are 2 3s are, therefore x is equals to 3. Now here x is equals to, right? 5 minus 1 is 4 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 2s are, so therefore x is equals to 2. So what is the meaning of this? The roots are 3 and 2, so therefore the roots are x is equals to 3 comma 2. So this is the roots for the given quadratic equation, and this is how we'll find the roots by using the formula method, quadratic formula method. Thank you, children.